So I just came back from the service center. They said this is completely normal. Your car is overheating. But listen, the weather is not that sunny right now, and I'm just driving normally. Like, I'm not even on the freeway, and I'm hearing hissing noise. A crazy hissing noise. Like, this hissing noise is so annoying, like, and no one else is experiencing this. You hear that, right?
Mm-hmm. Never heard of this issue either. I've never paid attention to it as well.
There's very, very, very few Model 3 owners. Like, I'm looking everywhere. There's only like...
Thing is with that car computer thing is like the car computer is kind of, I don't want to say it's sacred, right? But it's not something that we can just replace because you want it to be replaced, right? It's something that we have to see if there's either go through an alerts and see if there is an actual issue with it. Because if there is an issue with it, it will tell us. Definitely, right? So that's the thing though. Like, I hear what you're saying, but just because you say you think that it's bad, we have to validate and make sure that it's bad, because if there is no issue with it, we're not going to replace it.
But you just heard the noise with me.
I do hear the noise, but what I'm telling you...
You're saying that's normal?
I've never paid attention to that.
I promise.
We would just have to obviously eliminate things, right? So what I would do is do the purge, see if the noise goes away, because I definitely hear it. You hear it,
Yeah, I heard it.
So you hear it, right? So we'll do a coolant purge, and we'll obviously see if any coolant is going down, see if the noise goes away, or maybe lightens up. For all you know, it is normal. I don't know. Nobody else just pays attention to it. But let me hear it. I want to hear it. You drive with it, I guess.
No one's complaining about it because no one has this problem. That's my educated guess.
Yeah. We can't go off of that.
Why not?
Because it's like you can have your opinion all you want, you know what I mean? But we have our rules that we go by. I'm telling you, like, this car is a computer, and it will tell you if there's an issue. It will literally tell you that something is not right for any little thing. You have a trillion alerts going on right now.
We can. I'm not trying to argue. We can physically hear the difference, though.
I'm trying to hear it right now.
If I ask 100 Model 3 owners who've been driving for years, and I'm saying, have you heard this noise? They said no. And I'm sitting here with you, and we're both hearing the noise.
No, I'm not saying that everybody has this noise and nobody's saying anything about it. I'm saying it's like, what if it's a one-off thing? Something that's one-off.
What do you mean by one-off?
Like, say, like, if, guarantee your car might have more road noise than another Model 3. So what are we going to do about that? Try to fix that because your car has more road noise than this car? You know what I mean? Because the car computer is I'm telling you, it's just not like a rinky-dink job that you do. It's a big job.
I understand that.
You know what I mean? And so just because,
that.
like, you know, it's like, look at it like my perspective. You're coming to us saying something's wrong with this. I think that it should be changed, right?
Okay.
And in our book, it's kind of like, okay, you're a customer, I'm the tech. And if we tell you that it's normal, and we go through everything, and it says there's nothing here that says it's faulty, but you don't like the way something sounds, you know what I mean? It's kind of like, oh, well, I'm sorry. You know, that's kind of tough shit, right? Something like that. But I want to see. Let me hear. I want to hear it. I want to see. This is the first time this has ever even been brought up to me. I haven't heard anybody say anything about it.
In my opinion, you saying that alone, it shows how rare this
But I've never even thought about listening for that. The noise, because how often do we just sit in a car with completely silent, looking to hear for something? It's not.
I'm not trying to purposely
No, I'm not saying you are, but that's what we did though, right? You were like sitting here, do you hear this? And I'm listening, I'm trying to listen. Oh, you know what, I do. I don't do that with all the cars,
I will reproduce the noise up to 4 times louder.
Okay. That's what I want to hear.
Dude, I'm not even bullshitting. He just got off the car, and it's hell of noise right now. Here, I'm gonna put the phone and start driving. understand. This noise comes on